Start by Open User Account Settings. Begin by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type the following command: netplwiz. Then click OK. In the User Accounts window that appears, you'll see a list of users on your system. Select the user account you want to rename and double-click it. You'll notice two fields, username and full name. Full name is what appears on the Start menu and the login screen. Username is the system-level name used in places like Command Prompt. To verify this, open Command Prompt. You'll see your current username displayed. Change the name. Now go ahead and edit the full name. Once you're done, click Apply, then OK, and once more OK to close the window. Restart to apply changes. After the restart, your updated administrator name should now appear on the login screen and in the Start menu. And that's it. You've successfully changed your administrator name on Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.